All right, who are you and what is this?
No, the question is, who are you? Are you the FBI? Don't be asking me no questions like that. I grew up in Detroit. You don't start with who are you? You say hi. You show me your badge or whatever. No, I'm just joking. I am, if my mother was here, if she was alive, I would be Randy B. Hayward. But she's gone on to glory, so they call me Detroit. I'm telling you, if she was here, she'd be like, boy, your name is Randy. But they call me Detroit, and this is my show, so it's Detroit's Antique Motorcycle Show, or better known as the d.a.m show. You know, get your ring if you show something here.
And this is the 3rd annual one?
Yes,
third
it
year
is.
in a row?
Absolutely. It's the 3rd year. It's one of the fastest growing shows in the country. As a matter of fact, we were the only motorcycle show in the country last year because the pandemic got the world was facing.
Okay, and what?
Got some scooter bombs riding by. I love it.
What would you say is the, I guess, the theme of the type of motorcycles that we see inside?
Wow, that's a great question. People once asked me, how do you get these cool bikes here? I don't. I get the people. I get the people who really love the lifestyle. And then I say, hey, what are you bringing? What are you riding? Then I wind up asking to bring bikes out. So we got a Benson Black Shadow. We got a 1938 Indian 4. We got Hondas, we got Harleys, we got Suzukis, we got triples, we got race bikes, we got a Harley Davidson 8-valve in there that's raced around the country.
So the show is being well respected. A lot of people are honored to be in it. This is the 3rd one.
Yeah.
How long do you think this will go? What's the end goal for it?
Well, if we keep making it organic, when you come out and you get to sit on the bike, and you let somebody's kids sit on the bike, it's gonna keep going. You know, I got grandkids. I know I don't look that old. You can edit that out. And so they should become what we call scooter bums. Scooter bums are somebody that just live a life. It's gonna go on. We're already planning the 4th and 50th. I've already designed the ring for the 50th show. And we're taking it national and international. There'll be d.a.m London, d.a.m Tokyo, d.a.m Paris. Yeah, we'll be doing it up.
All right. Get in the shot with him real quick. One of my mentors.
Hey, look, I see
Follow this guy.
No, I see you building stuff. I need some work on my car. Y'all heard mentor, I should get a discount.
Detroit Hayward in the flesh.
Look, Wimberley, I'm telling you right now.
And working with Wimberley.
Yeah,
all right, okay.
nephew, can you do an old man a favor?
What you need? If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.